Hi friends, welcome to Farming Discover YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. In this video, I will show my farm design. If you follow a similar plan on your farm, you can definitely earn at least 10 lakh per year in just 1 acre land. At the same time, you can secure your future and have peaceful life too. You will understand the complete plan only if you watch this video till the end. Follow the same step-by-step procedure. I'm from North Kerala. I designed this farm based on my environmental and soil conditions. So you can't adapt the same crops given in this design. But you can replicate the same plant by changing crops as per your environmental conditions and soil type and availability of water. You can choose the best suitable crops by analyzing your area. But keep this plan as a blueprint for your farm. Personally, I don't like to do monoculture. In agriculture, monoculture is the practice where a single crop or livestock is growing on an entire farm. There is always the fear of loss. If you adopt integrated farming, then there is less risk of loss. You will get profit from one or another plan. Let's begin the video. Here I designed 1 acre agriculture farm. You can replicate the same plan for any size of farm. It can be 2 acres or 10 acres. And here I took land in square shape. But your farm may not be in square shape. Nothing to worry about. You can change dimensions as per your requirement. You can't do this complete farm at once. There is 4 step-by-step procedures and it will take at least 5 years to complete the entire project. So keep that in mind. I will explain step-by-step procedure. Before that, I will explain the final result. Or else you won't understand the entire process. Final result, 1 acre means 43,560 square feet. The square root of 43,560 is 208.71. So I took 208 feet as sides. While I am explaining, I don't mention measurements. I will give the entire design download link in the video description. After buying land, the first thing you have to do is making a compound. Then only you can protect the entire farm from predators and thieves. Make a strong brick compound of at least 10 feet in height. If you want, do solar fencing above the compound. That will give much more protection to your farm. Next, arrange water for your farm. You can make a pond, well or bore well. Make bore well only if there is no water. It does not spoil land, but still, I don't like to recommend it. Ethically, it wasn't right. I would like to install a solar pump system to irrigate the farm. Keep one tank at the top portion of your farm, to store water. I will keep water tank at the top of house. So that we can irrigate the entire farm with the help of Mother Earth's gravitational energy. I would like to adopt a drip irrigation system. Because it helps to give a sufficient amount of water effectively. Now I start from here. This is the gate. We will make 10 feet wide road to our home. At the sides of the road, we plant flower plants and medicinal plants. There's good market value for both medicinal plants and flowers. On both sides of the road, we plant coconut trees. That should be planted 7 feet away from the road with 15 feet distance. Because coconut leaves are huge and they keep on falling down. I recommend only 8 to 15 coconut trees. Because it was not that profitable. This is enough for your family cooking and oil purpose. Here we can make 32 by 32 feet house comfortably. That means it will be around 1000 square feet. I'll make the second floor too. So that will be 2000 square feet house. That is more than enough for 4-membered families. I will produce electricity from the solar system. I use a solar water heater too. In the remaining roof, I would like to do terrace gardening. Inside the compound, I will make a green fence. That means fencing with profitable plants. The green fence will give extra protection and small income too. On all sides, I have to grow plants with thorns, like citrus trees. Entire year, they will give fruits. Below that, I will grow shade-loving thorn plants, like pineapple. Along with that, you can grow commercial trees like teak, mahogany, or sandalwood. You will get huge profit in future. I left 10 feet for this on all sides. Here we make goat, cow, chicken, and duck shed. I am planning to rear sheep with goats and buffaloes with cows. Here we make a pig shed. Don't grow big trees at the sides of sheds. They may trouble you while constructing sheds. Make all the sheds with terrace roof. So that you can do terrace gardening. Here I will do one storeroom too. I need a terrace to dry Arecanut. I will do terrace gardening on my house roof. You can do terrace gardening in both sheds and house roofs. I would like to rear beetle goats. Because it's one of the best multipurpose goat breeds. I will rear Gir cow, they produce good quality A2 milk. Murrah is the best buffalo breed and Suffolk is the best sheep breed. Here I keep layer chickens like Vanaraja or Kadaknat chickens. They're really easy to rear. I would like to keep Khaki Campbell ducks. Because they lay maximum eggs. Use goat, pig, buffalo, sheep, chicken, and duck manures as fertilizer for all crops. Use cow manure and buffalo manure to make biogas. Actually, cattle manures produce methane gas. It is the main reason for ozone depletion. If you use that gas for cooking purpose, then we can eliminate methane emission from our farm. And you can produce electricity from biogas. Biogas slurry can be used as manure for plants. These dotted lines show fencing. Make 10 feet wire mesh fencing. It has a good shelf life. You can paint it for longer shelf life. Keep gates wherever it is required. Here make a fence with big holes. Because do not allow goats, cows, buffaloes, sheep and pigs to come here. Here we grow fodder for them. If they enter here, then they may spoil fodder. But allow ducks and chicken to go that side. I love to do free range animal farming. Because they live happily. Here they roam the entire farm inside the fence. In this place, we grow super Napier 20 grass. That is excellent fodder for dairy animals. They grow 15 feet in height in 60 days. It helps to increase the productivity of milk and improves the health of cattle. This is a vermicompost system. You can convert the entire farm's organic waste into fertilizer with the help of earthworms. This fertilizer can be used for many crops. Here we made a pond for ducks. Ducks enjoy being in the water. You can add Azolla also. It has natural feed to ducks and chickens. Make sure ducks pond should allow ducks to come out comfortably. Here we made 20 by 20 feet pond. In that pond, you can grow Azolla. That is also an excellent feed for poultry and livestock. They grow within 7 days. If you're planning a fish farm, then you shouldn't allow ducks inside this pond. I think it's better to do not to allow ducks into this pond. Azolla is one of the good feed for fishes too. Here I plant Arecanut. Arecanut will be one of the best commercial crops in our area. I will grow a Sumangala variety of Arecanut plants. Because it gives more yield and they start yielding at the age of 3. I plant it at 9 feet by 9 feet distance. That is sufficient for Arecanut plants. I can grow around 100 Arecanut plants here. I can earn at least 7 to 8 lakh rupees from 100 Sumangala Arecanut trees. We can grow cocoa, black pepper, vanilla, and banana as intercrop in between Arecanuts. They're all shade-loving crops and they help to produce extra income. And I will grow Moringa tree, wherever it's possible. Because Moringa tree leaves produce nitrogen in the soil. This is how we can produce soil nitrogen naturally. Moringa trees will give beans too. You can use Moringa leaves and beans for cooking. Here we grow commercial trees. I would like to grow teakwood, sandalwood, mahogany, jackfruit, and mango trees. They can be sold at a really high price. As you know, farmers don't get a pension at their old age. These trees are like insurance for their future. You won't get immediate returns with these trees. I will grow the Siddha jackfruit tree. They produce so many jackfruits. I will grow all season Thai mango here. So we can enjoy delicious jackfruit and mango all year round. We kept honeybee hive boxes here. But you can keep it anywhere. It will produce honey and it helps in the pollination of flowers. So it helps to increase productivity in the entire farm. We can earn money by selling honey and wax. This is a pig shed. I would like to rear Yorkshire pigs. This is the best pig breed. And it is one of the most profitable businesses. Here we will do a fruit farm. I would like to plant exotic fruit plants like dragon fruit, rambutan, strawberry, cherry etc. Here we will do betel leaf farming. This is one of the popular crops in South India. If you plant once, then you can harvest leaves year round. And there is a huge market also. It doesn't require extra care. If you do it in 5 cents, then you can earn almost 30,000 rupees per month. Here I will grow medicinal herbs and vegetables. There is huge market demand for medicinal plants. I would like to grow vegetables with a vertical aquaponics system. Aquaponics means growing plants and vegetables together and they provide nutrients for each other. If you grow veggies in a vertical system, then you can grow more food in a small area. This is a greenhouse. Inside you can control environmental conditions as per your requirement. That means you can grow vegetables or anything all year round. If you do a big greenhouse, then you can do vertical farming and aquaponics inside the greenhouse. That costs much, so this is enough for me. And it looks good. I will do aquaponics and vertical hydroponics inside the greenhouse. Till now I have shown only the end result. You can't execute this plan at once. It requires a huge investment. So we can't execute this at once. Even if you have money, you can't execute this plan. You have to follow step-by-step procedure. But keep the entire end result in your mind. Step 1. I don't want to invest money in dead objects. I will not invest in house first. Because there are zero returns. As I said earlier, at first you have to make a compound and arrange water for your farm. Then make a small temporary shed for living. It can be built at the place of duck shed. Don't invest more in it. That shed can be used for living and to store any farm-related things. Even farm workers can be accommodated there. Then clean the entire farm and do vegetable farming. Grow different types of veggies in the traditional method. This technique will help us to improve the soil quality of the entire farm. If you do vegetable farming, then you'll get returns in a short duration. You can earn money in a small interval of time. Here we mentioned vegetable farming in blue color. Step 2. In second year, plant green fencing plants, commercial plants, arecanut, coconut, cocoa plants, fruit plants, moringa plants and start betel leaf farming. Keep beehives too. This requires very little investment. Invest first year's returns to arrange all these things and continue doing vegetable farming in the remaining area. We have shown utilized area by pink color. Step 3. Third step is mentioned in yellow color. In the third year, start from greenhouse. Make aquaponics and hydroponics systems. Next, start a chicken farming business. Make Azolla pond too. Plant black pepper plants in Arecanut farm. Start goat, pig, sheep, buffalo and cow farming in fourth year. Because all Arecanut, coconut, commercial trees, fruit trees require at least 2 years to grow high. If we start rearing cows and goats earlier, then they may eat our all plants. So give 2 years to grow for all those trees. Now you can start terrace gardening in shed's roof. Start making biogas, Napier grass farming and vermicompost. Now the entire farm is almost set. Step 4. In the fifth year, you start getting returns from almost all crops and animals. So now start building your dream home. Build an entire house without any loan. Then remove the shed and start duck farming at that place. Then start vegetable farming at your terrace. Now onwards you don't have anything to invest. We can earn at least 10 to 15 lakh rupees every year, and we can live a peaceful life. Even our animals live happily by roaming on the entire farm. Goats, cows, and pigs, sheep, buffaloes can graze in entire commercial tree farms and arecanut farms. This farm consists of immediate returns crops, seasonal crops, and crops for the future too. You can harvest commercial trees after 20 to 25 years and you can earn in crores from those trees. This farm doesn't require electricity. There are zero wastes come out of your farm and it is entirely self-sustainable and eco-friendly. Hope you like this plan. Execute this plan on your farm by adapting the best suitable crops for your environmental conditions. This is my dream farm. I did this planning. I would like to thank Abhigna Designs for making such a realistic design. If you want to design your dream farm or house, then please contact Abhigna Designs. I have given their contact details in video description and I have pinned at comment section. This planning may help a lot of farmers. It may change a lot of farmers' life. Share this video with your all friends. We need your support to do this kind of work. Your likes and comments will motivate us to do more work. Please do like and comment your thoughts. It may boost the YouTube algorithm and it will help to reach more farmers. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.